Today we're going to be installing new headlights in Bob. We have these really old, and so they are dim as could be, can't light up a candle. So we are going to be installing some new LED lights that we got on the old Amazon, and these are the Cast-Light LED replacement, direct swap out, whatever you want to call it. They're supposed to fit right in, so they're just like a generic square LED light. So we're gonna dive into this thing and see what kind of troubles we run into. Here we go.
Okay, so a big bright LED looking thing. I'm not sure how they mount just yet, but we'll figure that out.
So here's a quick comparison from old to new without fully installing it, but we're going to turn on the old one and then plug in the new one. Wow. That's just low beam. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and swap this out. We didn't get the garage fully moved yet, so I'm down to a fits-all and a Phillips, which is all we really need anyhow. So 2 screws out the top, and then there's 4 screws around the fascia here. So we'll go ahead and get this swapped out. So in addition to the LED headlights, we're also going to install some of these Capetronic universal 12 volt LED lights in the back of Bob. So Bob's a little on the dim side. You can see if I drop my phone, it's easier to tell how, it's actually hard to see how dim that is. In the middle of the night, that is really dark, and you can't hardly see, anything in the back of this thing. So we're going to install some of these white LEDs to brighten this up in the back for the guys. So for now, we're just using the supplied double side tape here, just to fasten this up to the ceiling, just to see if we like where it's located. If we do, then they do provide some brackets that get screwed into place. So for now, it's just kind of trial and error to see how we like it. This one's just going to go kind of in front of, and then each of these has a little button. You can turn them off individually if you are blinded by it for some weird reason, and want to turn individual ones off. So we're gonna go ahead and stick it there and see how it does. So here it is without the light on. We'll reach in here, much brighter. So that should be a much better situation. Would be nice to really get one right in the center there and just boom, hit that right in the center. So a little history about Bob. We call this van Bob. It was given to us by Bob Geyer from Woodbury, Pennsylvania, who at this point has passed, but absolutely phenomenal electrician forever, many decades, brought electrical services into Pennsylvania in this area, in the Cove, and absolutely amazing human being, and definitely the model type person that you would want to become. Just an awesome person. And so he gave us this van. So we pride ourselves on trying to restore this in his name and offer our services to the community using this van. So we're going to try to help people with this thing and restore it, because every time we drive it, we just remember we're riding with Bob. So a little bit of background there. And if you knew Bob, then please leave a comment, of your encounters with Bob and your experiences with him. We would definitely love to hear some stories. So he always had a very firm handshake and just very knowledgeable. And there you have it, a few small improvements that are going to make a big difference in our lives as servicemen. So we're going to get this thing on the road as soon as we can and get out serving the community. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any comments, you want to like and subscribe, that would be much appreciated. We look forward to seeing you guys at the next one. God bless.